When it comes to feeding a crowd or preparing meals for a busy family, size and convenience are everything. This Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart electric ceramic jumbo slow cooker, a true workhorse in the kitchen. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, cooking for a large family, or just want to make sure you have leftovers for the week, this slow cooker delivers on all fronts. With its large capacity, adjustable settings, and easy cleanup, this kitchen essential ensures you can create hearty meals without the hassle. Why choose the Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart jumbo slow cooker? The Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart slow cooker isn't just any slow cooker. This extra large capacity slow cooker is built for those who need to prepare large portions without sacrificing flavor, tenderness, or quality. Let's take a closer look at why this product should be a staple in your kitchen. Whether you're making a tender beef roast, a large turkey breast, or preparing soups, stews, and sauces for a crowd, the 8.5 quart capacity ensures that you have enough food to go around. The jumbo oval shape makes it ideal for large cuts of meat, allowing them to cook evenly and become fork tender. This size also ensures that you can meal prep in bulk for the week, making it perfect for busy families, potlucks, or holiday gatherings. Plus, you'll have plenty of leftovers for the next day's lunches. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet Electric Ceramic XL Slow Cooker is its versatile adjustable settings. The low, high, and keep warm settings give you the flexibility to adjust cooking times based on your recipe and how much time you have. Simply set the cooker and let it do the work while you focus on other tasks. The keep warm setting is especially convenient when you're entertaining guests or need to keep food warm without overcooking it. Whether you're making a hearty stew or slow-cooked chili, this slow cooker ensures your meals are perfectly cooked to your liking. One of the biggest advantages of the Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart jumbo slow cooker is the easy cleanup it offers. The removable oval crock and tempered glass lid are both dishwasher safe, so you won't spend hours scrubbing pots and pans. The brushed stainless steel heating unit can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth, maintaining its sleek and polished appearance. When you need to move your slow cooker from the counter to the dinner table, or carry it to a potluck, the cool touch handles ensure you won't burn yourself in the process. These thoughtful design features allow you to safely transport the cooker without worrying about accidentally touching hot surfaces. Not only is this slow cooker practical, but it also looks great in any kitchen. The metallic red finish adds a touch of style and sophistication, while the brushed stainless steel base ensures durability. Whether you're keeping it on the countertop or taking it to a party, this slow cooker is designed to impress. This slow cooker is Intertech listed, ensuring it meets safety and quality standards. You can rest easy knowing you're using a product that's been tested for performance and reliability. If you're looking for the perfect housewarming or wedding gift, this Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart jumbo slow cooker is a fantastic choice. Not only is it practical, but its elegant design and large capacity will make it a cherished kitchen essential. Why choose the Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart slow cooker? Time saving. Set it and forget it while you focus on other things, whether it's spending time with family or prepping other parts of your meal. Large capacity. The 8.5 cool-tuned size allows you to cook enough food for large groups or prepare meals in advance. Easy cleanup. No more spending hours washing dishes. The removable crock and glass lid make cleanup a breeze. Safe and convenient. The cool touch handles and safe design allow for easy and safe transport. Stylish and durable. The sleek metallic red design ensures it looks good on any countertop, while the brushed stainless steel base ensures longevity. Conclusion. Is the Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart slow cooker right for you? If you're looking for a large capacity slow cooker that can handle big meals and save you time in the kitchen, the Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart jumbo slow cooker is an excellent choice. With its adjustable temperature settings, easy cleanup, and stylish design, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking a hearty roast, making a big batch of soups or stews, or preparing meals in advance, this slow cooker has you covered. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys convenient, flavorful, and hassle-free cooking. Click the link in the description below to check out the full product specifications and bring home the Elite Gourmet 8.5 quart slow cooker today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.